Well, welcome back. How are you? Hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm feeling fabulous. I've just come back from getting my hair did. So I've had a nice cut, nice treatment. So before my colour was turning quite yellow. I'm naturally an ashy blonde and now everything blends in and I'm happy. But we're not here to talk about hair today. What I want to talk to you about is I was given a few NUTRIMETICS products that I have been trying out for the past 6 weeks. And I'm actually really excited about them, so I thought I would share everything with you as I do. So today I'm going to talk to you about a cleanser, toner and a couple of face creams. But before I get into that, if you don't know about NUTRIMETICS, they are similar setup to sort of Avon, Mary Kay, you know, Tupperware type products. Those places where you yourself can become a consultant. So you can join, you can set up your own business and you can make money. Otherwise, you can just shop online, get the products and then go on your merry way. It's one of the best things about them. And I didn't realize that they're against animal testing and that they are cruelty free. So that's an added bonus. Alright, so I've got these guys here. I have a cleanser, a toner, then I have the day cream and I've got a night cream. So all of these purple products, they're part of their Restore range, which is to restore your beautiful, youthful skin. So they've sort of got anti-aging properties within them. All right, now I'm not going to put anything on my face because I don't think you really want to see that, do you? You don't need to see me wash my face. If it had a face mask or anything like that, I would put it on so you can see the texture, but a cleanser is a cleanser, a toner is a toner, basically. But you know, if you do want to see anything, let me know and I can always put up some pictures on my Instagram or anything like that. But let's jump straight into the cleanser. First off, this is brilliant. First time I used it, I noticed a difference. Normally I don't. Normally it takes about a week of using a cleanser for me to see a difference in my skin and my skin tone, but you walk out of the shower and your skin actually looks clean. It's freaking amazing. Like, I was really surprised. And it doesn't make your skin feel taut, or sometimes it pulls because it dries it out. This guy doesn't. So this cleanser here has Sauvignon Blanc concentrate, chamomile extract, hyaluronic acid. I struggle with words, I'm sorry. And comfrey extracts as well. So this is suitable if you've got normal to oily skin. I would say if you are heavily oily that maybe you'd want to go more towards an oil balancing range, but have a look online. NUTRIMETICS website's actually pretty good in terms of explaining what's in it, what's the use of the product and what type of skin it's suitable to. So this is sensitive enough that you can use it morning and night. Personally, I don't, just because my skin still dries out if I cleanse it twice a day. So I only do it once a day or once every second day, which to some people you might be like, ew. But what I do in between each cleansing is I then use a toner. So I still make sure I remove all my makeup, you know, wash my face just without a cleanser, and I use a toner instead. So this guy here also has the Sauvignon Blanc concentrate. I cannot say it. How can you say it without that sort of accent? Sauvignon. Can't do it. Can't do it, Captain. So this toner here is alcohol free and it's got botanical extracts in it to firm up the skin and to help the skin's appearance. So in it, it has mushroom extract and African whitewood extract. What I found with this, it's really soft. So you don't need much when you put it out onto a cotton pad and you just gently rub it into the face, and it doesn't sting because it's alcohol free, but it doesn't make the skin feel dry. Sometimes when you use a toner, it strips everything out, but this doesn't. This is really nice, it's really subtle. So I would use this twice a day, more so than I would the cleanser, but that's just how my skin works. So these two here, they're $33. They are 200 ml bottles. So these last forever because you really only need like a 5-cent piece size. If you're not Australian, size of a corn kernel. You really don't need much because it does lather up and you get enough in that small bit. So this bottle here, I think I'm only up to about here, and it's been 6 weeks. Same with the toner. You don't need to drench the cotton pad when you use it. You only need a little amount. So for me, that $33 is actually really good value for how much you get in those bottles. Next, I have the anti-aging day cream SPF of 15. So this is also from the Restore range. This guy here is $46 and it's 60 mils or 2.03 fluid ounce. And it's actually really thick. I'll open it up so you can see. It's got the similar texture of a sunscreen. See if you can see that there. And you really don't need much of this either. Like, to get a whole face and your neck, probably that much. That's probably even too much. So this moisturizer here will last forever. And again, I think that's really good value. This cream is actually suitable for normal to oily skin as well, but it's quite thick. So if you're going to wear makeup, I found it's not suitable for underneath makeup, because it's too heavy in a way. So I still use my Sukin moisturizer before I do my makeup. But if I'm not going to wear makeup, I wear this because this is brilliant. Even though it is a bit of a thicker and more of a heavy formula, even though it's still lightweight, the days where I don't have makeup, this works much better for my skin. It's designed to hydrate and firm the skin, and over time it's going to reduce any pigmentation, reduce wrinkles. So the more you use it, the more benefits you're going to get out of that moisturizer. So last but not least, we have my absolute favorite product that I tried, which is this guy here. This is the Nutri-Rich Oil with apricot kernel oil. This little jar is only 25 mils, so you can get a bigger one if you like. This is $36, so it sounds hella expensive, but I now can't live without this. It is brilliant. So what is it? Let me open it up. Inside, it's almost like a balm Vaseline type finish. And let me just put some on my finger. So it's very sheer, but it's very tacky. I'm gonna need my phone out for this one because it does a lot. So there is more than 100 apricots in every jar to relieve dry skin instantly. The concentrated formula mimics the skin's oil, relieving dryness and improving elasticity and moisture retention to visibly reduce fine lines and soothe stressed skin. So it's got your apricot kernel oil, your vitamin E and carrot oil. And this stuff is brilliant. It smells amazing. It's got like a really sugary, fruity undertone to it, which I would say would come from the apricots. It smells amazing. And even though it is sticky and tacky, it really seeps into the skin, and you wake up in the morning and your skin is plump, it's firm, it's fresh, and it's really soft. This is amazing. If you don't like the rest of if you don't like the Restore range, you know, and you've got an absolute favorite cleanser and toner, add this to your mix. You know, like I said, I still use day cream and I use other brands' day cream as well. But this has replaced, so far, this has replaced any night cream that I've used because it is brilliant. If I could only buy one product, it'd be this. So after a long day, you take your makeup off, you might have dry patches or your skin's a little bit stressed, boom. And you don't need much. This has lasted me 6 weeks and I don't even think I'm halfway through yet. So absolutely brilliant. But that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want any more information on the products, I'll put in the links to the NUTRIMETICS website. There is links and information on there if you want to find a consultant, so you can have a talk to them about the products and what's going to work better for your skin. Otherwise, there's plenty of information on the website. You can just purchase it straight from there. But if you have any questions, you know, let me know in the comments below. If there's any other, you know, if there's other NUTRIMETICS ranges that you want me to test out and try, let me know as well and I can do a video on that. But otherwise, that's it. I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll speak to you again soon. All right, bye.